Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming the MMI and map package version so you know what to update. This prevents installing the wrong files. Once done, make sure the car battery is healthy or hooked to a charger. Loss of power will brick the unit. Next, you format a 32 GB USB to FAT32 and create a root folder named Audi Update. Copy only the official update files there. Do this now, because correct file placement and steady power are the foundations of a successful update. You insert the prepared USB into the MMI port, then switch ignition to accessory so the system can read without starting the engine. This reduces load. Once the unit recognizes the USB, follow MMI prompts to verify package details and accept the license and start the install. During the process, the screen may reboot multiple times. This is normal. Make sure you don't remove the USB. Interrupts cause corruption. If prompted, confirm navigation data migration so your points of interest and settings remain intact. You let the MMI complete its final reboot and then check system information to confirm the new software and map versions. This verifies success. If maps or routes don't appear, reinsert the USB and choose Repair or Reinstall. The MMI can reapply corrupted files. If the unit fails to boot or freezes, disconnect the vehicle battery for about 5 minutes to force a reset, then repeat the update procedure. One key tip: keep the same USB and file structure. Inconsistency is.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.